Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue shaded region that consists of two squares of different dimensions, as you can see in this diagram. And moreover, this line segment AB is 25 units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded region that consists of this one and this one as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this big square first. Let me go ahead and label its sides. Let's suppose that this side is A. And since all lengths are equal, so this is A, and this one is A as well. And now let's focus on this small square. Let me go ahead and label its side lengths as lowercase b. This is going to be B, this is B, and this is B as well. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this big square. And now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area equal to S square, where S represents the side length of the square. So therefore, the area of this big square is going to be simply A square. And likewise, the area of this small square is going to be B square. So therefore, the total blue shaded area is going to be, we are going to add these two individual areas. So that's going to be A square plus B square. And now our task is to find the value of A square plus B square. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle ABC, and whose side lengths are 25, A and B. So we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. And here's our Pythagorean theorem. A square plus B square equal to C square. Let me go ahead and call our longest leg as side C. This is our side A, and this is side B. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. We got A square plus B square equal to C, in our case is 25. So this is going to become 25 square. So therefore, we got A square plus B square equal to 625. So we can see we figured out this A square plus B square, that turns out to be 625. So I'm going to replace over here by 625. So therefore, the total area of this blue shaded region turns out to be simply 625. So thus the area of this blue shaded region turns out to be 625 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.